All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make an amazing green juice with only your blender. And this is my favorite way to make green juice lately, especially if I'm really busy needing something healthy on the go. It takes me 5 minutes. Here we go. All right, this is what you're gonna need for this recipe. You're gonna need an amazing high-speed blender. Of course, if you don't have a Ninja blender, use what you have. But this blender, guys, I just switched last year from a diamond blender, a KitchenAid diamond blender, to this Ninja blender, and I was wondering, would it make a difference? Yes, it does. My smoothies are like juices. They're so creamy and so delicious. So I will link my favorite one down below if you don't have a good one. But you're gonna need half a banana, a cup of your favorite greens. Right now I'm using spinach, really loving spinach. And then you're gonna use a cup of your favorite fruit. I have fresh raspberries and just a little bit of frozen mango. Mango is high in sugar, but it's natural, really delicious. Makes your smoothie really sweet. But to make this a green juice, we're gonna add 2 cups of water. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna throw it all in our blender, and then we're going to blend it for like 2 minutes, because the longer you blend it, the less green particles you're going to get. And I'm just in the middle of like food prepping. That's why I say all the fresh food out, because I just did groceries and I'm gonna be prepping all this food. I really shoved the greens in here because I'm like, I want a lot of greens. But that way I have something yummy to drink while I'm prepping. You gotta make sure it gets on and then lock it in. Here we go. Really good blender. Here we go. And we're gonna go on level 3, the highest setting. Yummy green juice. All right. Got a pretty cup here. This will make 2 of my cups here, and I'll just drink it while I'm meal prepping. So let's give it a final taste. Super creamy, super delicious. No pulp, you don't taste it, but you're still getting that fiber from the fresh fruits and vegetables. But adding a lot of water and some fruits that you really enjoy make this super delicious and an easy way to drink your greens. Happy green juicing, guys. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.